Adult Manual of the Day.
Laundry. You wear clothes. Clothes get dirty. Dirty clothes need washing. This is not optional. This manual will teach you how. Incorrect laundry technique leads to shrunken sweaters, pink underwear, and a general sense of domestic failure. 80% of clothing damage is caused by the person operating the machine, not the machine. Your washing machine has settings for a reason. They are not decorative. Using the wrong setting is like driving a car in reverse to the supermarket. You will arrive, but at what cost?
Cold wash.
30 degrees or below. Use for darks, brights, delicates, and anything you are not sure about. When in doubt, cold. This is the safest option and uses less energy. Your electricity bill will thank you. Warm wash. 40 degrees. The all-purpose setting. Suitable for everyday clothing, cotton t-shirts, bed sheets, and towels that are not heavily soiled. This is your default. Hot wash. 60 degrees and above. Reserved for heavily soiled items, white cotton, bed sheets during flu season, and cloth nappies. Hot water kills bacteria. It also kills delicate fabrics. Choose wisely. Delicate cycle. Low spin, gentle agitation. For silk, lace, lingerie, and anything your grandmother would describe as good clothes. If the label says hand wash, this is the compromise. Heavy duty. Maximum agitation, high spin. For work clothes, heavily stained items, and jeans that have been worn beyond all social acceptability. This setting means business. Quick wash, 15 to 30 minutes. For lightly worn items that need refreshing, not deep cleaning. This is not a substitute for a full wash. It is a negotiation.
Laundry symbols.
The hieroglyphics on your clothing tags, a basin of water, means wash. Lines underneath mean gentle. A number inside means maximum temperature. An X through it means do not wash. Read these. They are instructions, not suggestions. A triangle means bleach. An empty triangle means any bleach is fine. Lines inside means non-chlorine bleach only. A crossed-out triangle means do not bleach. Most of your clothing falls into this last category. A square means drying. A circle inside the square means tumble dry. Dots indicate heat level. 1 dot, low. 2 dots, normal. A crossed-out square means do not tumble dry. Hang it up instead. An iron shape means ironing. 1 dot, low heat. 2 dots, medium. 3 dots, high. A crossed-out iron means do not iron. If you see this symbol, the garment has done you a favor. A circle means dry clean. Letters inside indicate which solvent to use. This is not your concern. Your concern is to take it to a professional. A crossed-out circle means do not dry clean.
Common mistakes.
Number 1. Overloading the machine. Your washing machine is not a suitcase. Clothes need room to move. If you have to push the door closed, you have gone too far. Number 2. Not sorting. Reds with whites creates pink. Darks with lights creates sadness. Lint-producing items with black clothing creates visible regret. Sort your laundry. It takes 2 minutes. Number 3. Ignoring pockets. Check every pocket before washing. Tissues in the wash will coat every garment in white confetti. Pens will create modern art. Neither outcome is desirable.
Adult Manual.
Now you know, laundry is not difficult. It is a series of small, correct decisions. Make them consistently, and your clothes will last longer than your excuses. End of manual.